Evening all, Marcus here, back again with another video, back again with another Oculus Go video. Now we all know the Oculus Go is full of great content. It's primarily made for media, but it does have some good games and other types of experiences on it as well. One of the things that's sorely lacking is first-person shooters, and good quality ones at that, and that's where Slightly Heroes comes in. It's currently under development by a studio called Hat Rabbit, who are the people behind the game Merry Snowballs, if you know that one, where you go throwing snowballs and everything like that, obviously. It's quite fun, it's very well polished and very well made, and Slightly Heroes is very much along the same sort of lines. It's a first-person, one-on-one shooter in sort of Pixar-y sort of environments, and it's quite good. They're not looking for additional people to help them with beta testing at the moment, but I thought I'd do a quick video to show you what's going on, what it looks like, what you can expect, and you guys let me know what you think, because it is the perfect opportunity to provide your feedback on this game, what you think, what they should add, what they should change, what they should tweak, and I'll do the same in this video as well. So get your thinking caps on and leave your comments down below. Let's check it out. Right, so here we are in the main menu of Slightly Heroes. So as you can see, this very much does look like something like from The Incredibles or something like that, with these overly sort of sized and misportioned sort of characters. This guy looks a bit like Marty McFly, this looks like Mr. Incredible, this is a bit of a Catwoman type woman going on here. Pretty cool. That's a sneaky robot trying to get over there. Where's he off? But anyway, so here's the main menu. You can have quick matches, which just dumps you into a sort of a quick match, obviously. You can play against friends. So you add people to your friends list and you can actually challenge them as well. So same sort of options in this mode as the other one. Let's click quick match, and in here you can see at the moment I've got two characters unlocked. So I've got the first character, Captain Lawsuit, with his briefcase and his little laser pistol, and Agent Meow with the same sort of pistol. So they all have the same weapons that do the same sort of thing. So there's no kind of disadvantage there. The main difference here is health and speed. So if you look, Captain Lawsuit is kind of very much in the middle between health and speed, whereas Agent Meow has got a little bit more speed and a little bit less health. But let's be Captain Lawsuit. Click battle. And then how to play. So you pull the trigger to shoot, you move with the touchpad, and you rotate the controller to quick turn. So if you want to turn left, you turn on that. If you want to turn right, you turn on that. It's an interesting setup and works quite well. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but it works quite well. So let's just search for 10-15 seconds just to see if we find a random person. If we don't, we'll hit bot match and I'll show you what it is. It's in beta. There's not a lot of people playing at the moment. They're more sort of testing it and sort of finding any bugs and issues, which, to be fair, I haven't found any. It's been pretty smooth. Let's click bot match, and you can choose the option here to allow others to join in mid-game. So when you're playing, they can be replaced and you start a new game, which is quite good. So let's click battle. Can we battle? Okay. Cancel. Battle. Looks like I found a bug and I can't start a game. So I'm going to have to restart the game entirely to give it another go. Be right back. Okay, we're back. So, quick match. Battle. Okay. Bot match. Battle. Here we go. So we're starting against Agent Meow. Random level. So there's a few levels to choose from. I think there's like 3 for now. Let's jump in. For info for the devs, this game was kind of in sort of standby mode on my Oculus Go for a little while, so maybe that had an issue with messing up the online or something. So that's one for you to look into. But here you go. So look at the graphics in this game. Pretty cool. Very sharp, very stylized. I mean, it's not sort of Xbox quality graphics, but for Oculus Go graphics, this is pretty good. Oh, there's the character over there. So I'm using the touchpad here to move around. They've picked up a power up and put down like an electrifying wall. Look at that. And you shoot basketballs. Oh, got it. I need some health. And you turn with the controller. So, oh, I'll try and move myself here. Got myself stuck. You turn with the controller, left and right. Oh, she's coming for me. So strafing is more kind of turning left and right. You can strafe either side, but then you can kind of look, and you kind of do go the way you're looking as well. So you can turn and move if you want to, and then to quickly turn around, like if I want to come back around here, I can play it like this. So depending on how you like to play, can do it. So now I've just picked up a chicken rocket. Where is... oh! 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 Homing chicken rocket. And she's down. Alright, let's go over here. Let's turn around, shall we? So it's nice they got the option of the two different control methods. Although I seem to... can't move. No, am I stuck? I can't seem to go forward. I try my tip of my finger. Sometimes the tip of the finger helps. We all know the Xbox. Sorry, not the Xbox. The Oculus Go controller is not ideal for. I think I can't move forward. I can't. Oh, I've been killed, so maybe that'll fix it. Let's have a look. There we go. I can move again. I'll tell you what would be good is the option to have gamepad support, which I'll just double check in a second that it doesn't. There we go. Right, let's get some. Let's get a power up and some health. Oh, what is this? Giant laser gun, and that's like teleportation pads. So if we go in here, we can teleport to another part of the level. Where'd she go? Where is she? Where is she? Oh, I can hear her behind me. Oh. So yes, I don't know whether it's the Oculus Go controller just being weird, because it's not the best touchpad controller ever invented, but if you could have controller support with full sort of dual stick... Oh, she's gone through that teleport, isn't she? She should be over here. There she is, there she is. Oh, I keep getting stuck with the controls. Where'd she go? Oh, she got me with the chicken. Oh, I'm still winning. 4-2. Timeout. Timeout. So that's kind of the gist of it. It's a pretty good game and pretty fun. I'm going to quickly try the controller, just double check that it works or not. I don't think it does. I've got a Games controller just right here in front of me, which I usually use on the Oculus Go. I imagine it would be make it a bit of a disadvantage if you were allowed to do this. Let's play the other character. Battle, okay. Bot match, battle. Oh, now I'm against Marty McFly. Or Fearless McFly he's called. I don't think the controller will work. Let's just double check it. But it's quite fun, so let me know in the comments down below what you think about this. Is it something you're looking forward to? I know it's, or I believe it's out on the Google Daydream already. Yeah, so the controller doesn't do anything. And there's no options. I believe there's no options here. No, no options to change. Oh no, I chose no. Quit the menu, no. Oh, I quit the menu anyway, even though I said no. But I believe there's no sort of options for... let's just double check here. There's no controller options either. Dead zone, vignette, sound effects, rotation control. So you can turn the rotation control off if you want to, just in case you don't want it and you feel it's kind of hindering you a little bit. So you can tweak all these sorts of ends. There's leaderboards. So I'm number 21. I've only played about 4 times. Psychic Steve, you're number 1. Beating Hat Rabbit. Nice. So let's have a look at the little heroes we've got here. So you've got Captain Lawsuit, Agent Meow, Fearless McFly, all speed and little health, and then you got Miss Visible, and then I think you got about 8 characters. Then you got Low Lactose Larry, who's a pint of milk, Judge Greg, Infringement Ninja, and Rebellious Rose. And then you've got different skins for all the different characters. And it looks like there will be DLC, so as I say, it's available on Daydream already at the moment. I think it's about £5.49, so what's that, about $7? And it looks like it'd probably have some sort of in-game purchase here as well. We can't select that, but for a gold, what was his name, Captain Lawsuit, and his gold gun. And you sort of see there's a few different guns here. All the weapons are slightly different. They've got sort of slightly different stats on them, but there's plus and minuses to all of them. And I believe you unlock them by playing the character more and that sort of stuff. Unlocking pieces and rewards. So what I would say, if you're interested in this app, log on to this Discord here. So if you go to discord.hatrabbit.se, you can learn more about this. You can go on the Hat Rabbit website. All details to this will be linked down below. I'll link to the Daydream version as well if you're kind of interested. But it looks like a fun first-person shooter for the Oculus Go, and looks good, plays solid. It's got some issues with the touchpad, but you know, for what it is at the moment, it seems to work well, so I'm looking forward to this. So Slightly Heroes, pretty good first-person shooter for the Oculus Go. I think it would be a very, very popular app once it gets released. There's not many first-person shooters on the Oculus Go at the moment, so the more we get, the merrier. I think people are going to be very happy, especially as it's got multiplayer. One-on-one stuff's going to be quite good. It seems quite fun, quite easy to play. The control mechanism of sort of flicking your hand left and right to turn works well, but you can sort of swizzle around on your seat or stand up or whatever you want to do as well. Controller support would be nice if you had sort of the proper sort of looking around and left and right on the right stick. It would be quite good, and then maybe still aiming with your head and trigger to shoot. But that would be unfair. I guess if you did that, you'd need to include like separate lobbies for players with controllers and players without. Otherwise, it would be very unfair to play, because it would, you know, you'd beat people with a controller, or people with a controller would beat people without it. But yeah, good fun. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. Is it something you're looking forward to? I think there's no set release date yet, so hopefully soon. It seems very well polished as it is at the moment, so hopefully soonish. But Hat Rabbit will let us know when it is. I'll update the description down below once I know anything new. And keep an eye on my Twitter as well. I'll tweet out anything I know or anything I learn about it. But yeah, thumbs up for me. I'm looking forward to that one. Talking of thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That's fine. I'm big enough and ugly enough to take it if you didn't like it. Just let me know in the comments down below why you didn't like it, and I'll try and do better for next time. Become one of the Remarkables and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I next upload a video. And that's me done. I'm out. Have a virtual high five.